evening, teacher and college. My name is Dianys Rivero, agroforestry engineer students at Grabando. I share with exploration video tasks for next time. Did you spend much money on your last trip? What is a fair amount? It really is enough money to cover all expenses such as food and activity. Did you go sailing on your last trip? What was the most historic place you visited? Yes, we went to the most emblematic island of San Andres by boat and around the island by bus car. What is the most unknown food you have to eat on the trip? The most unknown food was octopus tentacles and snake salad. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? The most tourist place in my city is the Senegal Palagua. It is an important freshwater mirror for Puerto Boyacá. What place have you visit on your plane? The place that I would like to visit again is Piedra del Peñol, and it is great views. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.